YNAB App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how personal budgeting has evolved in 2025. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, offers goal tracking, expense management, and financial education, but is it worth using? The surprising truth is structure. Most people get this wrong by thinking budgeting apps just track spending. YNAB uses a proactive approach, teaching users to assign every dollar a purpose, helping reduce debt and increase savings over time. Another advantage is insight. You won't believe what happens next when you see features like reports, trend analysis, and goal tracking. The app provides a clear picture of spending habits and progress toward financial targets, keeping you accountable. However, there are cons. YNAB requires a subscription, and the learning curve can be steep for beginners. It also relies on manual input for some transactions, which may be time-consuming for users with multiple accounts. In conclusion, YNAB app in 2025 is ideal for individuals seeking structured budgeting, goal tracking, and financial education. While subscription fees and setup time are considerations, its proactive methodology and detailed insights make it a powerful tool for managing personal finances effectively.